66% of businesses are concerned about cybersecurity risk. My only question is, what rock does the other 34% sleep under? The average cost of a data breach for a small to medium business is a staggering $149,000. So why do so many people pull the covers over their head and pretend the bad guys can't see them? The answer is the perceived expense of implementing the right solutions. You would be amazed by the cost effectiveness of the enterprise cybersecurity stack we implement for our clients. Without the right solutions, the question is not if you'll get hit, it's when. Reach out today for a free cybersecurity review. That's right, we'll evaluate your current network and provide a to-do list to get your business in check. Time to lift the blanket off your head and take a big sigh of relief.